This is Happy Wheels Cars and Stuff. And as you saw in the thumbnail, this is my last autocross with CFR SCCA. Not entirely, so don't fret. You got way more racing content coming up. This was probably one of the top 3, if not my number 1 autocross I've had yet. I mean, as far as national events go and everything, the national events are a blast as well, but racing at the firm, as far as an autocross course goes, is pretty exciting. And you'll see in the video, it's cool to even just be a part of through the video. I mean, I was there driving, so, you know, I got to experience it firsthand. But hopefully that you guys can kind of experience it with me in this video, the excitement of driving this course with the Fiesta, and just see how fast this thing can be. And in the video, you guys don't get the full picture of driving this thing. It's a freaking blast, all right? And if you ever get the chance to drive a Fiesta ST or a properly built one for a touring class or any race car spec'd out Fiesta, I highly encourage you to do so. Enjoy the video, guys, and like I've said in the past, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys again in the future. All right, have a good one. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like it and leave your comments in the comment section below. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified whenever I have new content. In the meantime, enjoy one of the videos in the top left or right. Have a good one.